morning, Achieve Charter School. I see some people getting on here. Good morning, Mrs. Freitas. Good morning, Mrs. Parrott. Hi, Mrs. Wright and Reagan and Audrey. Hey, the other Mrs. Wright's on here. Nice. Good morning, Mrs. Taylor. Hi, Crystal and Ava and Aiden. Oh, nice. Mrs. Freitas is already commenting on my shirt. Hey, Charles. Hi, Brooks boys. Hey, Pastor Jeff's on here this morning. Nice. Good morning, Hudson. Hi, DeFreitas girls. Hi, Delilah. Hi, Maddie. Hey, Mrs. Kurtz. Hey, everybody's commenting on the shirt. Nice. I like that. I wore it because our virtue is creativity this week, and kind of thinking about doing things differently than I normally do. I actually got this shirt in you're not going to believe this, but this was actually in one of the giveaway piles after the campfire when we got some new clothes, and nobody else wanted it, so I took it, and it's awesome. I've only worn it a couple times, but I'm glad you're liking it this morning, trying to throw something a little different out there. Well, it's Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo. I hope everyone's ready to have some tacos for Taco Tuesday. Aloha, Mrs. Tickle. Well, good morning. I hope you guys are ready for a great day today. We're talking about creativity this week, and we'll talk about the definition of that and a couple of fun things we're going to do in just a minute. And Mrs. Kearney's out there distracting me. She says she can believe that this shirt was in the giveaway pile and that nobody wanted it. Weird. Let's do the Pledge of Allegiance and then jump into talking a little bit about creativity and what we're going to do as a school to try and showcase some of your awesome work. But first, please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, if you're just getting on there, happy Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday, and it is Cinco de Mayo, so it's going to be a great day today. I know we've got some taco plans for later this evening. There's no birthdays today. Nobody in our whole school is born on Cinco de Mayo. Can you believe that? So this week we've been talking about creativity, and we want to showcase some of your creativity. So I could tell you all kinds of stuff about creativity and show you things, but you know what, students? You guys are already amazing at creativity. You've learned so much about creativity. You've got Mrs. Gassaway that's been teaching you about art for years, and Mrs. Laufer that's teaching you about creativity with music, and all of your teachers teaching you about creativity and how to problem solve, and we want to showcase your work this week. Actually, we'll probably start showcasing it next week and the following week, but we want to start gathering your work so we can show off how amazing and creative you are. Listen to the definition of creativity first. Let this start sitting in your head, and then we'll talk about some ways that you can share your art with us. So creativity is the power of imagination. Creativity is a way to develop your special talents. It's seeing something in a new way, finding a different way to solve a problem, and creativity is using your imagination to bring something new into the world. I get to see you guys do this all the time, bring something new into the world. Hey, I see Jess Mercer's on here today. Speaking of creativity, Jess is the one that gave you guys those art kits a couple weeks ago, and she's spreading art all over Butte County. Thanks for doing that, Jess. So here's how we're going to spread our art around this next couple of weeks. We've got two special projects going on. They both went out in the newsletter last night. You can read the newsletter for more information. You can have your parents check their email, and then you'll know how to submit your work. But number one, we're going to do a virtual, whoa, slow down, Mr. Wright, virtual art gallery. This can be for any art that you want to showcase with your friends and with your family. You could have paintings, they could be drawings. Oh, I would love to see some of the sidewalk chalk creations that you guys have done. I've been seeing those all around town. Maybe photography. I know we've got some people out there that are really into photography and digital photography and editing their pictures. And I know people have been out doing some cool stuff outside. Maybe you got some cool pictures that you want to share with people. It could be other digital arts or graphic design. I know we've got some people who are into that. Mrs. Wright is way into graphic design, and Audrey's been getting into that. That's fun to see. Maybe some coloring that you've done. Any art that you want to showcase. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to take a picture of it. If it's not already a picture, obviously don't take a picture of your photography. It's already a picture, but anything else, take a picture of it and email it to Mrs. Wright. That's the kindergarten Mrs. Wright. The information is in that email that we sent out to you last night. If you didn't get that, let me know and I can give you the information. Email that to her. Put virtual art gallery in the subject line so she knows why you're sending this to her and so she can keep it separate from all of the other emails that she's getting. And the second thing we're going to do is our talent show. I've already had people asking me this year about our talent show. Huge tradition at Achieve. I think last year might be about the only year that we haven't done a talent show, and we're going to do a talent show this year. In fact, this talent show might work better than ever because we can see some of your talents that normally you guys cannot show us at our school talent show. I mean, I get people asking me the craziest stuff. Can I juggle knives in the talent show? Can I jump a motorcycle? Not really. I mean, not that crazy, but people sometimes ask for things that we're like, I don't think we can do that in a school talent show. But this year, pretty much any of your talents can go in the school talent show because all you need to do is take a video of those talents and also email those to Mrs. Wright. You could maybe sing a song. You could play a song on your instrument for the talent show, right? You could do some skits. Like I said, you could showcase those special skills. Maybe you've got some great bike skills. Maybe you, oh my goodness, I know Nick and some of our other students get over there on the pump track and they do some crazy stuff. I would love to see videos of that in the talent show. Maybe you have a great basketball trick shot that you've been working on, a great dance video, anything you can think of that showcases your special skills and talents. We want to see it. Mrs. Wright's going to put all those together and make something cool with it so we can all check out your talents. A couple things about that. If you want your video to be awesome, hold your camera sideways. When you hold it up and down, you're going to end up having that skinny video in the middle of the screen. So if you want your video nice and big, hold it sideways. One other thing I want to say is, you know what? Get your whole family involved. We want to see everybody's talents. I talked to some of you parents about playing music and doing other things. We want to see your talents in this talent show too. Whole family band, that would be amazing. I can't even think of anything more fun to watch than your whole family doing a dance routine together. That would be fantastic. I saw my cousin posted a video of her kids doing a basketball trick shot that took 3 different people in the pool. That was pretty cool. Maybe get your whole family together to work on something cool for the talent show. Love you guys. Start sending in your virtual art gallery submissions and your talent show submissions, and we'll get all of those together for you. Love you guys. Happy Cinco de Mayo.